What's up, fellow Cinders? Welcome back to my channel, Chill Buddha Dreams. It's been a little longer than I wanted since I dropped an episode. I've been crazy busy at the shop, the good kind of busy. A lot of momentum, a lot of moving pieces, but I'm stoked to keep the story rolling. This episode picks up just 4 days into the new year. The weather was still rideable, so I rounded up some friends for an all-gas shred day to Huntley.
I'm going to ride with the fam.
There you go.
Yeah.
Gotta get rid of e-bikes.
I told him he's gonna come. He's gotta come test the amp flow. If he can get Ron sweating, then the amp flow's garbage.
Vamonos way.
You got your settings all settinged?
Handlebar, they're straighten up.
Oops. Are your settings set up? Aren't you supposed to like put it in mode every time?
Just gotta watch to make sure Adam just put it in 6
I did not.
Sabotage.
Never did it. It wasn't me.
Easy breezy.
So this is a Ron ride, so Ron can unleash the beast.
First time to get riding with e-bikes, huh?
Yes, go ahead, send it. I'll follow you guys.
I was grateful I was able to round up these boys last minute for an all-gas shred to Huntley. We started off on tunnel vision, heading north along the creek. It felt good to be back on the e-bike. I've been trying to balance that with time on my Amish bike.
Let the beast in first.
From there, we took the Kingsdale connector to make our way toward Sugar Bridge.
Now I can definitely tell when he's still pulling and the bike shifts the dead weight.
Yeah, very noticeable. I bet you he notices too.
Yeah.
You're on 100 Newton meters, aren't you? Huh? Oh, yeah, hold up.
No, only turned it up to 90.
Uh-huh.
Just a little bit.
Uh-huh. I felt you pulling away. I'm supposed to be lighter. Send it.
Back on tunnel vision, and we dropped into the first real descent of the day.
More behind me. Uh-huh. Dude, I miss riding a heavier bike.
Ron had his DJI mini camera with him, so we ended up with way more shots of the ride. Ron's bike is faster, more power, more torque. And I already know Thomas has the torque turned up on that new Bosch motor. I'm doing my best to keep up.
Dude, my hands and my forearms are like, dude, you've not done this in a while.
You haven't been riding?
I've been riding normal bikes, so I'm not getting things at this speed.
Oh.
Most of my riding has been lately, like pedaling the greenway, pedaling up climbs, and then descending down the smoothest trails in Slaughter Pen. And so, yeah, this is definitely something new.
We hit Largo Vista East, which shortcuts us towards Huntley, riding right past Hainard Creek Falls. We were definitely making good time.
Got 3 behind me.
Rider, 3 back.
Yeah, I was off by 1.
How'd your bike feel?
Good. I need to tighten the fender down. It's annoying.
Whew. I don't care what anyone says. That's still more of an enjoyable ride. I would have hated all that. Holy moly. You good, dude?
Yeah. For water, we can stop at my house.
You live out here?
Yeah, well, I got a house in here. Yeah.
Sweet. And the weather feels like fall. This is straight up winter though. Send it.
Ready?
Yep.
Uphill both ways is the connector that takes us straight to Huntley. And this trail has some really solid descents along the way. Then we finally arrived to our destination.
Whew. I'm gonna do a short one just to get a feel for it.
The first 3?
Yeah, or the first 2 actually. I'm just gonna get a feel. I don't know if I want to commit to the 3rd one yet. Probably will.
Air Raid is my go-to confidence-inspiring jump trail. It's where I come when I feel like I need to build airtime confidence.
Woo!
The jumps are built perfectly. The first 2 ease you in, progressing you up to the longest jump on the line, number 3.
Woo! Fire.
Do you want to ride this other one here?
Invasion. Let us chase you into Invasion.
What is Invasion?
This one here.
This one right here with the on and off.
Gotcha. The one on the right. Yeah, the right one.
Invasion is another fun trail at Huntley. It's fast into a double, then a quick berm, and into the on and off.
I didn't hit the berm fast enough to get the on and off.
But honestly, Air Raid is why I'm here. I can just lap the first 3 over and over. And e-bikes make it way easier. I plan to spend a lot of time out here this spring, getting ready for a bike park trip in early summer.
If you ever have any problems, they're gonna have your back, you know.
Which one?
Bosch.
Bosch, yeah.
Oh my gosh. If I was to buy one, it would probably have it would definitely have a Bosch on it because of their support.
Yeah.
And you know they're gonna be there in a few years. That's the thing, is you can't predict the future. Even DJI has some problems right now with embargoes that they're about to get hit with.
Yeah.
For those who already know, it's easy to say this now, but if I ever owned an e-bike, I'd want it to have a Bosch motor.
Full pull?
You want your bag?
No.
Thomas is ready to go hit more trail.
Well, we gotta come back up this way anyway. I mean, I could take my bag.
Back?
We can just cross the street right over there.
How far back is it?
Far?
Huh?
Far, we're halfway.
Like how many miles?
6 or 7 miles.
I've got 9.4 so far here in play.
Well, if we would have done 1 lap, it would have been 16 miles total. But we did a lot more than 1 lap. Thomas, you ready to go back?
Hey.
For our final run, we went for a full pull, which adds a couple more jumps toward the bottom. And these have a little bit more lip.
And that berm coming into that third big jump,
Yeah?
I freaking got the back end sideways on accident. I kind of floated it up over the berm, but then it whipped out on me.
It was time to head back to the shop.
Clear? Clear? Left.
We headed south on uphill both ways, making our way toward the lower section of tunnel vision.
Come on, rock tapping.
Trying not to.
Haha.
100 Newton meters.
Only on 90.
Uh-huh, well that's another 5 Newton meters right there, pedal power.
That's all it takes.
Sometimes I think we forget how spoiled we are to have this all in our backyard. And I'm definitely grateful to have a solid group of friends to ride with.
Left!
Back on tunnel vision.
That was turbo mode. First time I've used turbo.
Holy yeah, that's awesome.
I've been riding an auto, which just means it rides more like a regular bike.
But it'll give you full power if you crank really hard.
If I crank, the harder I crank, the more power it'll give me.
Yeah, that's like
So it's
our
EMTB.
purple mode.
Yeah.
Although they're in turbo mode, I mean, I was having to pedal hard to keep up with the motor.
Yeah.
And I don't have it turned all the way up. It's only at like 750 watts. I can turn it up to 1,000.
40% battery right now is where I'm at.
I'm at 40,
You're at 50% battery right
I'm
now.
at 48.
I've been on mode the whole time, pretty much.
I've got 11 miles of range left in this mode, 34 miles of range in eco mode,
Yeah.
11 in trail, 10 in turbo, and 11 in auto.
Woo, that was loose.
This descent right here is another favorite of mine, and the main reason I like to run this loop in this direction.
Woo! I can't see anything. Hold your dogs.
I think not having to be a peak level athlete and still be able to enjoy all these trails is pretty damn cool. That's a big reason why I love riding e-bikes. Plus, I still have enough energy to get some work done after the ride.
Two more descents and one more climb. This is the one I was talking about that'll knock us out at the split off.
I got 8 miles remaining.
Ron was already fast even before the faster e-bike. This thing turned him into a monster. Still on tunnel vision, but we're getting close to the shop now.
Up to the right.
I'm gonna head back.
You're heading back? It's good riding? Yes, sir. We'll see you on the next one.
One more climb over this hill and we're there. What could go wrong?
Oh man!
Oh, there
There goes the Durrell.
goes the Durrell.
There goes the Durrell.
I don't have a thing easy to get to.
That'll get you down the hill.
Twice on one ride. Let me get some double downs. You know what? That was the same hole. The other plug just got knocked out.
Yeah, it sounded like a shootout.
Because that's the only plug I got in there. Oh, I thought I'm so lost. I thought we were doing that paved down under loop is where I thought you said we were going.
I was gonna do that route, but people wanted to jump. You guys ready?
For the decent?
To the shop.
Did the decent?
The decent.
After we fixed Ron's flat, we rolled right into the final descent. When I lived in Bentonville, I used to ride to Bella Vista just to hit this one descent. Now it's the final run that takes me straight to work after a good ride. If you would have told me this is what life would look like when I first moved to Northwest Arkansas, I never would have believed you. I'm incredibly grateful for the role I get to play, the people I work with, and this beautiful place I get to call home. Back at the shop, we had a solid fire going. We hosed down the bike so we can sit down and enjoy it.
How far did we go?
18.1 is what I got.
Thank you, sir.
If somebody says anything about a fire ban still going on, I tell them, I forgot.
How's it going? I can't tell who did it.
You know that?
Yeah, there it is.
You're gonna have to do my laundry now.
Well, it's always somebody that, whoever's putting the fire together, they always, whatever you're wearing, it's gonna smell like straight doo-doo for the rest of the day until you wash it again.
Another great day in the books with solid friends.
For this channel, my goal is to continue to tell my mountain biking story, one experience at a time, and to share some sick edits of all the great trails Bentonville has to offer, along with all the other destinations I aim to visit. This is a whole new experience for me, and I would really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Comments are welcome, and hoping that you keep them positive. And remember guys, be chill and stay shredding.